Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you something that you can do while you wait for your Facebook ads to run so we can get some data. Okay, so obviously by now we're just waiting for our Facebook ads to get some views so we can get some data so we can get the right audience from Facebook. What you can do to kind of speed that process is to go and find Facebook groups to show your videos to. Okay, so in order to do that, on the Facebook, you click for this on the search bar. You just click on it and search for golf, or whatever your niche is. For example, weight loss, whatever you have, So click on that, and then at the bottom, click on see all results for golf. Okay. So after you do that, you click on groups. This is where you can browse golf groups and join them. Okay, so let's find a couple of good groups and join them, and after you join, you're gonna go and post your videos to get some views for your videos, right? So by sending views to your videos, you're getting more and more data. Okay, because whoever watches your videos, Facebook is gonna get data of their of their demographics, what kind of people they are, what kind of audience they are, what are they interested in. So we're just trying to get more views to get more data so we find the right audience for our ads. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's find a couple of golf groups to join, and let's see, this is a good one. That's a good one. 600 members. We want it to be in the US, so alright, let's click on that. So yeah, just to find a couple of things that you can join, pages, groups related to your own product or niche, and then join after they approve you. Just go there and post your videos in there and tell people, hey, this is a useful video, helpful video that you can use to learn something. So again, the whole point is to provide value to get views. By getting more views, we're gathering more data so we can show our ads to right people to make commissions. Alright, so make sure to do that. Spend some time. Obviously you're just waiting for your ads to get views, so spend some time on that and get some views. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.